RespectNet Project, respectful communication through media education network.
Developing Transversal Skills Through Sustainability Education by Cristiana Danna, Pegaso Online University. Education and training are key transformative tools to build more inclusive and resilient societies. Education for sustainability is within the curricular activities and not in the different training contexts a transversal learning area, able to take on a leading role as a tool for sustainable transformation of the environment, economy and society. There is no deeper change than that sustained through education. We are facing a global challenge that aims to contribute of the improvement of society in terms of inclusiveness and resilience. The UN 2030 Agenda and the Guidelines for Civic Education of the Ministry of Education place sustainability education among the priority objectives. There are now many countries of the European Union that provide for teaching it with the curricular activities of primary and secondary school as a transversal learning area. In these systems, the approach to teaching in all the disciplines such as science, geography or history is called to integrate a renewed way of designing activities, which includes a sustainable and interdisciplinary perspective. We talk about a continuous learning process that, in a longitudinal perspective, involves all training systems throughout the entire life cycle, from kindergarten to university, as well as in work context. Subgoal 4.7 of the agenda, with a view to ensuring a more equitable, sustainable and inclusive society, is dedicated to learning about sustainable development, not only as a natural environment to be protected, but as a cultural area of right as citizenship. Ensure that all students acquire the knowledge and skills necessary to promote sustainable development, including sustainable lifestyle, human rights, gender equality, the promotion of a peaceful and non-violent culture, global citizenship, and the enhancement of a cultural diversity and the contribution of culture to sustainable development. The Italian National Conference of Environmental Education and Sustainable Development, held in Rome in November 2016, aware of the need to implement actions in this direction, starting from the school environment, has outlined in a document some of the strategic objectives that the school must pursue in the learning area of education for sustainable development. These are strengthening the relationship in children with the environment, with resources and with the natural and socio-cultural diversity of the territory. Also, transmitting the complexity and interdependence of global challenge in order to be able to act consciously in their life and promote sustainable transition. Also, again, teach to critically evaluate behavior, individual and collective, and to be able to recognize virtuous experience and the real contribution of innovation and technology. Sustainability education is able to promote the development of the key competencies by embracing the issues of citizenship and human rights, respect for the environment and different cultures, in supporting educational institutions for the implementation of effective training courses. The Ministry of Education, in the Plan for Education for Sustainability 2017, has translated the objectives set out in the UN agenda into 20 concrete actions. The actions have been grouped in 4 macro areas, and these are construction and environment, structure and personnel of the Ministry of Education, teaching and teacher training, university and research and information and communication.